Udaipur, often referred to by names such as the City of Dawn, the City of Lakes, and Venice of the East, reflects the charm that the city holds. Founded in 1553 by the Maharana Uday Singh II and located in the state of Rajasthan on the southern side of the majestic Aravalli Hills, this city attracts travelers from all over the world who are surely spellbound with its unequivocal architectural beauty and hypnotic cultural vibrancy. The best way to reach Udaipur is via roads, rails, or airways from Delhi. To commute within the city, the best way is to hire a taxi or a car. Let's explore this historical spectacle. One of the architectural wonders of Rajasthan, City Palace, that took 400 years to construct, is the largest palace complex of the state that stands magnificently on the eastern banks of Lake Pichola. The several palaces in the complex stand magnificently behind the 100 feet high and 801 feet long facade built exquisitely on the ridge of Lake Pichola. This palace is of great historical importance as it served as the administrative complex of the Maharanas. Built in granite and marble, City Palace Complex is worth admiring for its perfect blend of medieval, European, and Chinese architecture. Flanked by the Aravalli mountain range, City Palace is worth admiring for its natural settings that offer a breathtaking view of the surroundings. A must visit tourist attraction in the City of Lakes, City Palace is sure to mesmerize everyone with its splendid architecture and great history. Mesmerizing the visitors with its charm and enchanting beauty, Lake Pichola is an artificial lake flanked by islands, palaces, temples, mansions, ghats, and restaurants. One of the most famous attractions in the lake surroundings is Lake Palace, that sits right in the middle of the lake, now a heritage hotel of Taj Group. A trip to Lake Pichola is incomplete without a boat ride in the serene lake, especially during sunset. The sunset view from the boat is truly magical, as is the changing colors of water from blue in the morning to golden in the noon and orange during sunset. During night, the reflection of palace lights on the water is another sight that is sure to leave one spellbound. Reflecting the Mewar's aristocratic culture, Bagor Ki Haveli is a marvelous assortment of huge courtyards, balconies, jharokhas, decorative archways, cupolas, and a fountain. Any art lover would love to explore it for its splendid architecture and skillful craftsmanship. The main attraction of Bagor Ki Haveli is the colorful and vibrant Daroar dance show that showcases tradition and culture of the Rajasthani folklore in an interesting manner. The show consists of well choreographed dances, Rajasthani puppet show, Ghumar dance, and the Bhavni dance. The skills and artistry of the performers are definitely worth admiring and should not be missed by anyone visiting this beautiful Haveli. Jagdish Temple is one of the best architectural wonders of the Mewar dynasty. Dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the temple showcases the Indo-Aryan architectural style. The temple is built keeping the rules of Vastu Shastra, the Hindu architectural science, in mind. Garden of Maidens or Sahelio Ki Bari is a marvelous wonder of nature and its beauty designed with utmost care and perfection. The garden offers mesmerizing views of handsomely carved marble pavilions, kiosks in the pool, lotus pond, and rain fountains. The garden creates a unique sense of pleasure and extraordinarily calms your soul. This exquisite feeling is beyond words. Built in the 18th century, the memorial is built to honor the courage and valor of Maharana Pratap. One of the most thrilling features of the memorial is a life-sized bronze statue of Maharana Pratap sitting on his faithful horse Chetak. The museum, built on the premises of the memorial, has an enormous collection of paintings. These paintings depict the rich history of Kumbhalgarh and Chittorgarh, along with the few instances from the Battle of Haldighati. Sajjangarh Wildlife Sanctuary in Udaipur is one of the best places to experience and witness a variety of flora and fauna living harmoniously in the human made habitat. The sanctuary is home to animals like cheetahs, panthers, blue bulls, wild boars, hyenas, and sambars. You can come across a wide range of birds and reptiles too. Shilpgram, the village of the artisans, is the lively and exclusive museum of traditional Rajasthani arts and crafts with a hint of Mughal and European history. The occupational homes of the artisans are constructed in an adjoining manner to reflect the concept of unity in diversity. The Shilpgram is an ideal place to interact and explore the artistic fervor of the Indian culture. It is a place where history, culture, and heritage are bound together to offer a ravishing image of glorious Indian past. The Shilpgram Festival is a 10-day festival that offers an unforgettable glimpse of rural life of different western states of India with the help of artworks, dances, songs, stunts, and dramas. These artistic wonders not only entertain the viewers but also give a quick insight into the cultures. You can enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of Shilpgram by becoming a part of the crowd. Out of many, one of the most exciting places to visit is the Vintage and Classic Car Museum. The museum showcases some of the most exquisite collection of royal antique cars, which makes it a heritage site which is worth exploring. A romantic destination in the historically rich state of Rajasthan, this city of lakes boasts of not just royal palaces but also delectable street food that are guaranteed to satiate your hungry soul. The Udaipur cuisine is lavish and light, rich and simple, spicy and soothing, sweet and snacky at the same time. Is it an exaggeration to call dal bati churma the king of Rajasthani food? A big no. After all, popularity matters. The light, fat-free and fresh poha with authentic kulhar tea and coffee adding a rustic flavor to the drink. Gatte ki sabzi, egg bhurji with a twist, delicious mirchi vada, crisp kachori with imli ki chutney and a cup of tea bursts a bubble of euphoria in our hearts and awakens our taste buds. A meetha pan customized with fennel seeds and hari patti is any day the best way to complete your wholesome diet of some delicious street food in Udaipur. Every nook of every street in Udaipur resonates with the aesthetic and ethnic values. This city of lakes is a myriad of colors and a paradise for shoppers. The ample of options for shopping in Udaipur are the added perks. Hathi Pol, Bada Bazaar, Chetak Circle, Bapu Bazaar, Shilpgram and bazaars located near Ghantaghar and Jagdish Chowk offer a plethora of small shops, big showrooms and exhibitions that display the unbelievable variety of rich Rajasthani items and souvenirs for your loved ones. Whether you are seeking a holiday with nature and scenic beauty or amidst the grandeur of ancient structures, whether you are looking for a break from monotony by indulging in some cultural colorfulness and pampering of palate with mouth-watering cuisines, Udaipur is the answer to all your holiday dreams.